Get ready. Start. Madam, when the emergency was declared, voluntary collections for the defense fund were initiated, and the working classes and the poorer sections of the people gave their all to the National Defense Fund. But the richer classes, the Maharajas and the property owning classes in India have given very little to the National Defense Fund, which really shows that the government have not taken proper steps to collect monies from these land owning and rich classes. The emergency should have been utilized for freezing the privy purses that are given to the princes. It should have been utilized for getting more collections from those classes who can pay, who have earned money by illegal means, who have evaded wealth tax, who have evaded income tax. The government of India has done well in bringing the cold control rules, but unfortunately these rules have not been of much use in unearthing the gold that has been hoarded by the black marketeers. More stringent steps should be taken to see that the gold, which is estimated to be worth about rupees 4,000 crores, is unearthed. The quantity of gold that has to be won by any male or female should be limited. Then only can the gold that has been hoarded by these people be unearthed. Regarding collections, I should sound a note of warning. From almost all the states, reports have come in that coercive and pressure tactics have been used by the officers to collect money for the National Defense Fund. It is necessary that we should raise funds, but mere collection of these funds will not strengthen our defense forces or enable developmental activities to go on. On the other hand, it is absolutely necessary that a defense levy should be resorted to in order to raise funds to strengthen defense forces. It should be voluntary, and only then will it create enthusiasm among the people, and we will be making them realize we are at war with China, and we should do our best to increase the defense potential of the country. That does not mean that the officers concerned should make use of coercive methods to collect funds. Reports have come in, and the Prime Minister has also been apprised of this fact, and he has advised the state governments concerned that they should not resort to coercive methods to collect contributions for the National Defense Fund.